how to install Google Docs on iPhone 12. So if you have an iPhone 12, either the iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, or iPhone 12 itself, and you want to download and install the Google Docs app on your iPhone 12 series, here is a video for you. So if I download this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install Google Docs on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Now, once you open the App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then here, you want to search for Google Docs. Then click on it. Then once the Google Docs comes up in the search, you can click on it to see more information about it. Then here you can create or edit your document straight on your iPhone. Now go ahead and click on the Get button. Once you click on the Get button, just hang on. Then you'll be prompted to tap the Install button that you want to install this Google Doc from your iCloud, from your Apple ID account on the screen. Then click on Install. Then go ahead and type your Apple account password. Once you type your Apple account password, go ahead and click on Sign In, and then hang on for the App Store bot to confirm your Apple account password. After that, then you should see pop-up that says done, and then it's also going to play a chime. Then you should see save password for free items. No, now. Then hang on while the Google Docs app is installed on your iPhone. So this might take a couple of seconds, and the time it takes to download and install the Google Doc app on your iPhone depends on the strength of your internet connection. If you're using 5G network provider or you are under 5G network coverage, this should be done under seconds. And you can see the Google Doc app is already installing. And once the installation process is completed, you can either go back to the App Store to open it, or come back to the app screen on your iPhone, locate the Google Docs, and then click on it. Then you see Google Doc, create and edit document. Just need to scroll through like this, then sign in with your Google account. So that is basically how to install Google Doc on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.